đa lên Việt Nam mình ai lực từ bộ đa tới bị muốn sòng xa có chết lạnh đa lên có squat lôi có chết trái để cho mình cái hai thang song preng bật vậy tới cái ba môi mình anh đa pin ti krong Hồ Chí Minh sầm khăn tới mình ai lực từ bộ người ta chua mà tôi cái chi pin phồng thế năng cái là bởi hưởng khoát khoanh sẽ ha dương miền tập buôn đi có phèn nên miền bởi miền pi dọp từ này là đây ấy thiệt chơi nọ hay chua mà tôi chỉ cho chặt sang vậy một cái chặt sang ban thì cho chua mà tôi cho cắt sọ môi cắt sọ hay trai Việt Nam chập bật mà khỏe thì chịu hay trip đỏ sang bật thôi môi đi em chụp ca chơi shot thì chả trong tiếng mê riêng chỉ vật chỉ chán phong chẳng này kia toàn từ lên Việt Nam hay trong từ lên ấy anh mơ video này bài đó với anh đừng tha là bỏ nát đây là này cua triếm là bỏ ấy đây nè còn này mình cua tranh bao hay năng cùng do cùng đấu tam khi nhom sự chất đã đa lên được nên làm bay chạy đừng lấy bật phía sau tên nè thì có trong đa lên rồi này xong trong bờ từ này trong đây chụp đường hô chất ấy cái khai đường ấy đọt hô xong từ snap lọc nhom đôiต่อchỉ từ bốn nhân thời buộc lan mình kêu bằng hay ban check cục app bị chán phu tăng về để bẩn thanh la để ta hay năng bờ spam sen cứ phu mỏng hay tấm mà bằng thôi buộc khai này nhưng màได้สกอร์1 mỏng hay buộc hai cứ nhom thời từ vô bật hai mỏng hayบทนั่งตะไลมาเพิ่มบนละลายช่างยมบุกต่างเตยต่างเมาอ้อห้าสับปะรดยมบุกตามเด็ดบ่านั่งตะบงที่อันจังวิบันดิสคาวน์ปีเดล้าซอห้าผมจังยมเจงเตยไงมาเพิ่มมวยเป็ดปรักมองบนกันละให้ยุบมุนเตยนั่นคือเกย์หัดบานจะถ้าอยู่ซับเตยดอลเวียดนามเช็คอินหัดบานไอ้เพิ่มถึงเกย์ผมว่ายังใช้หมู่เกย์โอเคแต่กะหลายเกย์นั่นคือลึกตะบงแต่ยมบุกจังดังถ้าจวบเรื่องมันจวบขอสดับเป็นนั่งดังถ้าอย่านัดซองเพลงมาจังยมตะดอกะหลายสเตชันเกย์จังมองบนกันละยมตะดอมองจุดบนกันละยี่แต่นั่งยังถือเติมมุนอย่างน่าก็30 นาทีมุนให้ขยมนี้ทำไมให้ในเตยยืดแต่สำนักยังแต่ดอมองcái tranh mỏให้เวลาไว้ยังแต่ยมอสเจนนักเนี่ยเธอจังให้เตยอย่างน่าบันเลือเป็ดไอ้ยมเมานั่นคือเวียนปัญหาให้พาสแอปจังอันนี้วิด้วยสำนักได้แต่ดอแล้วดอมเมาหมอจังเบอร์เซนเสียไงนั่งเวียนปัญหาติ๊กตุ้ยคือขยมบันเตยแต่ไม่ดองให้สำคัญจึงđểยมจีนั่งเกิดเซอร์เวียนขมายแต่พิเฉินคือเวียดนามหนึ่งจันแต่มกด้วยขมายจังเป็นนั่งสู้เกี่ยหึงตกอีบ้านเกี่ยใหญ่เวียดนามหลังรู้ให้มกหลังขมายจังไปเตยนั่งเวียนเห็นใหญ่มาเกี่ยให้ไปโจนั่งเกี่ยเถอะคลิปไปเชื่อในขนมสบองพวกใครประหลาดให้แกงปูไตรเวอร์นั่งกดจนจิตเวียดนามให้กดเตี้ยพาสปอร์ตแต่โบงเวียนดังไอ้ท่าเกี่ยเถอะเตี้ยพาสปอร์ตคนใหญ่ปาปอด
bắt bò
đi trong bụng
bắt bò
bắtไปนั่งบัดกระเดยไปซานเล่ยมนั่งบองจนจิตจนไปกดเกยจังยังเด้งกดเจงกดโซรีตึงกรอยเวหนูบองปรเปะเป็นตาขมายใหญ่เลยอ่ะมันดันใหญ่มือสูบวยบางอย่างกลายเก่งเห็นตูนติ๊กพอเม่งกลายไปโจทมอด้วยเวดบนทันแต่ตลายวิสมาโมยตลายกุยทอมให้เดซ่าตับจมจังยมกระทำพายวิเห็นคลายได้แต่ยังไอ้ดำเด็ดคล้วนเก่งบานสำคัญยมบกบานวินโดว์10จังยังเด็กมือเตสเพียบเองจัง
How I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry.
จังเด็กบ้านมาสตูทอมก็ชอบกลายที่มวยอันนี้ก็ต้องมองไปเลยแต่ในความในก็ชอบไอโจก็ตุบตักเลยไอความในโจนั่นก็สเตะมันเตอร์เวียดนามชนะเหมือนกันไอก็ต้องมองไปเงือบเป็นนี้ไอก็ถือการกาแฟจิกคลังแต่ยังมาไอพักบ้านความในโจเพลียมจำก็ตุบตักนั่งใจมาเว้นคือก็ชอบมือหมกจำยมจังยมเตยโจสลกตามบอดลางลามให้เก่งไปได้จะงอมีนไอจบแต่เจี๊ยชอบเจี๊ยไปเมื่อเตยบ่ายคือไม่เดียมเชิงเปรี้ยสมัยจังจีหัวมันเตยยังดอกหลังสเตชันบอกกอดจังหลังนี่ก็ชอบอายุยามแปลกดงแปลกเฟอร์ได้กอดล่างเย่บันไดก็ต้องมองบนจริงเลยให้มาหกเกก็ช่างงานชาสดายกูนั่งคือแต่ตัวยอบานดอบหรือดอบมองให้เนี่ยลุ่นั่งลุ่นั่นเลยขมายนะเป็นไตอัดเจ๋ขมายติดให้เป็นอะไรดังเก็บบังเกยลอยขมายหรือก็ลอยเวียดนามลอยขมายเมียนเตโดให้เป็นลอยเวียดนามว่าตอนเจ๊ใจเป็นนั่งกึศเฉินแต่เสียจังลานนั่งพิเฉินนั่งเป็นขมายจังว่าไม่จะดังไม่จะมันดูอินโทรเวิร์ตแต่มาพลอตทวิสเจวันให้เกกึศลอยกับแบบท่านั่งฟรีจับมวยลานจังนะโอ้ถูตรงให้เอนั่งเช่นเย่ขมายซอใหญ่ขมายเร่แต่ของไปลำจังอย่างนั้นก็เป็นโตเป็ดสกัดกำจึงต้องการดารอกาแฟแต่อัดกาแฟผักบัดกรุบแห้งแต่ตามปัดได้ยังกระทะอัดเช่นใหญ่ขมายเช่นใหญ่ขมายแล้วก็ลูกกาแฟเด็ดบานกาแฟหนังผักเตี๋ยแต่ถึงไฟติดมากลายเป็นนั่งประมวยปอนกาแฟช่องใดเตี๋ยบัดกลายนี้ยมอ้อสมน้อยปูนั่งยี่ได้ไปเชิงดักโจทองมาได้แต่กอดโจจะสไตล์ก่อนแต่ดอกในของนั่งดักโจกอดอ้อได้โจจะกลายไปเลยกลายโจกลายล่างนอกเตี๋ยตะเกียบสลักให้เป็นนั่งเพลิดเพลินซอยดังเลยมันดูเห็นเงยอาเทียนประหลาดได้มวยสวยเชิงอาเทียนป้าจ้องคอยเลือกได้กันแต่ได้ปูมือยมก่อนละดักเชิงโจให้เชนมาไปดอยอัดเมียนกระบะกระโบยปูอัดประหลาดได้ที่บ่าสมกุลอย่านัดโจเวอร์สัญญาไปทำบ้านกาแฟพักสบายเจ็บไปดอย ចឹងឥឡូវ finally ដល់ព្រំដែនហ្នឹងស្រួលគឺគេយក passport process ឲ្យមកចឹង passport គេត្រូវវាយពីខាងខ្មែរយើងមួយពីខាងវៀតណាមចឹងពីខាងខ្មែរយើងខាង bus ហ្នឹងគឺគាត់ឲ្យវាយឲ្យចឹងពេលវាយឲ្យយើងគ្រាន់តែចុះទៅយើងកាន់ passport ហ្នឹងហើយបន្ទាប់មកយើងទៅខាងវៀតណាមចឹងបានខាងវៀតណាមគេទៅពិនិត្យ passport ហ្នឹងម្ដងទៀតដើម្បីវាយត្រាពីខាងវៀតណាមវិញហើយពេលដល់វៀតណាមហ្នឹងគឺគេត្រូវឲ្យយើង scan កតាបសិនចឹងសម្រាប់អ្នកអត់ដែរមកឲ្យដបងអីបើសិនជាយើងបុកតាមឡានចឹងយើងអត់បាក់អីខ្លាំងអីគឺ passport គឺគេប្រសេសឲ្យយើងរហូតដល់យើងដល់ព្រំដែនហ្មងតែគ្រាន់តែចំណាយពេលយើងប្រសេសកន្លែងពេលឆ្លងហ្នឹងរៀងយូរបន្តិចចិត្តកន្លះម៉ោងតែពេលហ្នឹងហើយគឺយើងជិះ smooth ទៅហ្មងចឹងគ្រាន់តែចូលដីគេភ្លាម culture shock មុនគេគឺគ្រប់គ្នាគឺ uniform អញ្ចឹងហ្មងខែក្តៅគឺអាយដៃវែងរុំចិត្តកពាក់មួកហើយស្រោមដៃ starter pack គឺឃើញអញ្ចឹងទាំងអស់ហ្មងហើយជី2នាក់គឺរបៀបចឹងបានស្រុកគេសាច់សប្រជាជនគេសាច់ខ្លុំហ្មងអញ្ចឹងជីប្រហែលជា7 ម៉ោងយើងដល់ bus station មួយប៉ុន្តែអានោះវាអត់ទាន់ដល់ហូជីមីញហ្មងមានអ្នកខ្លះគេឈប់នឹងហើយខ្ញុំនេះគឺទូរស័ព្ទហ្នឹងលួចកលុកកលៀតដើម្បីបានថតសម្រាប់ធ្វើសួរធុញអត់ធុញដែរតែខ្ញុំថាខ្ញុំត្រូវតែមានវីដេអូដើម្បីស្រួល voice over អញ្ចឹងយើងចុះតាមគេតាមអីហើយពេលហ្នឹងអត់មានឃ្លួយថាហ្នឹងគឺជា bus station ដែលគេឈប់មកតង់សិនហើយពេលហ្នឹងគឺប្រមូលវ៉ាន់ចេញអស់ហើយតែគ្រាន់តែចុះភ្លាមកលេចមើលឆ្វេងស្ដាំទៅឃើញមានអ្នកជិះមួយយើងហ្នឹងគាត់ប្រមូលកតាបហ្នឹងជិះដាក់ឡានមួយទៀតអញ្ចឹងយើងក៏សម្រេចចិត្តសួរព្រូឡានអីចឹងណាបើគាត់នឹងនិយាយបៃឡាំប្រាប់ថាទៅណាទៅហូជីមីញមិនមែនបើទៅហូជីមីញដូរឡានជិះទៅមួយគេហើយការភ័យខ្លាចរបស់ខ្ញុំនៅតែមានខ្ញុំគិតថាបើសិនខ្ញុំជិះឡានទៅបន្តទៀតអានឹងប្រហែលជាគេគិតលុយអីចឹងក៏សួរគេបន្ថែម no extra charge អីចឹងបងនិយាយខ្មែរទៀតថាអត់គិតលុយទេនិយាយខ្មែរច្បាស់កន្លែងអញ្ចឹងយើងក៏រើអវ៉ាន់ចូលដល់ឡាននេះបដ ாய்ចឹងសាច់ឈឺដូចជា40នាទីហើយបើខ្ញុំឈប់នៅអា bus station មិញជិះ Grab តដឹងតែអស់ច្រើនហ្មងអញ្ចឹងឈប់នេះនៅអត់ទាន់ចិត្តក្រុងណាជិះប្រហែលជា10នាទីទៀតបានដល់ក្រុងចឹងចូលដល់ឡើងនេះវាចូលលក្ខណៈ panic បន្តព្រោះដោយសារខ្ញុំអត់ដឹងធ្វើអីតទៀតព្រោះឥឡូវត្រូវ book Grab ដើម្បីទៅកន្លែងគេង check in អញ្ចឹងបើក app Grab ហ្នឹងហើយយើង book អីដូចនៅស្រុកខ្មែរដែរតែនៅវៀតណាមគេនិយម Grab ម៉ូតូឌុបអញ្ចឹងពេលហៅដំបូងហ្នឹងគាត់រកខ្ញុំអត់ឃើញទេគាត់ call មកផងហើយគឺនិយាយស្ដាប់គ្នាអត់បានទេគឺគាត់និយាយវៀតណាមគាត់អត់ដឹងថាខ្ញុំខ្មែរអញ្ចឹងតែខ្ញុំចេះ reply ថតរូបទៅបានគាត់មករកខ្ញុំឃើញហើយសំខាន់គាត់ចិត្តល្អមែនតើដោយសារខ្ញុំអត់មានលុយដឹងមិនដូរមកគេឲ្យតែលុយធំពេលហ្នឹងដូចឲ្យលុយគាត់50 ម៉ឺនហើយបន្ទាប់មកគាត់មានលុយអាប់ដូចនិយាយគ្នាអត់ចូលអញ្ចឹងគាត់អត់សូវចេះអង់គ្លេសដែរហើយគាត់ហុច QR ខ្ញុំអត់ចេះបាញ់ QR នឹងទៀតគាត់ក៏សម្រេចចិត្តថាអត់យកលុយពីខ្ញុំហើយពេលហ្នឹងជិះឆ្ងាយដែរចង់20នាទីគេអត់យកលុយយើងក៏ប្រហែលខ្ញុំសម្រេចចិត្តថាឲ្យគាត់ចាំហើយខ្ញុំរត់ទៅទិញកាហ្វេដើម្បីបានលុយអាប់ឲ្យគាត់សំខាន់ពេលហ្នឹងឲ្យលុយគាត់ខ្វះទៀតហើយដឹងតែអត់គ្រប់ទេតែគាត់ថាអត់អីអញ្ចឹងនេះគឺជាកាហ្វេដំបូងដែលខ្ញុំជន់ទឹកដីវៀតណាមបាទហើយកាហ្វេគេឆ្ងាញ់ដូច75,000ស្មើនឹងខ្ទង់$3ចឹងបន្ទាប់មកកន្លែងកាហ្វេចិត្តឡើងគេអញ្ចឹងយើងដើរទៅឡើងគេកាន់គុំនេះគេឆក់ទូរស័ព្ទទៅបាត់អញដូចអ្នកនរគ្នាកន្លែងខ្ញុំគេអត់ដឹងមិនទេមើលតាមគេតែខមមិនតាម TikTok វាមានអីកាត់ឡើងរបស់ខ្ញុំហ្នឹងចឹងទៅដល់ហ្នឹងខ្ទង់ម៉ោង 2ប៉ុន្តែគេថាកតុបអត់ទាន់ ready អញ្ចឹងប្រហែលជាកន្លះម៉ោងទៀតអញ្ចឹងក៏ធ្វើការផ្ញើបានគេហើយយើងដើរទៅម្ដុំនឹងលេងសិនអញ្ចឹងណាអូនខ្លាចគេឈប់ទៅសោះដើរលើស្ពានអញ្ចឹងបានហ៊ានកាន់ទូរស័ព្ទនៅអត់មានហើយប៉ិនឆក់ចូលចូលស្ពានចឹងពេលនឹងដើរបានបន្តិចហើយគឺរកអីញ៉ាំកន្លែងនេះទំនងប៉ុន្តែដូចអត់ហ៊ានចូលមកទីមួយខ្លាចគេអត់ចេញនិយាយមួយទីពីរខ្លាចគេចាក់កនិយាយទៅសារធីស្លប់ចឹងក្រោយដែរទៅវិញទៅមកពីប្រជុំដែរសម្រាប់ចូលហាងអីនេះបដ ாய்ចឹងពេលនឹងប្រើ Google Translate ទៅគាត់ប្រាប់ថាស៊ុបមួយចានប៉ុន្មានចឹងយើងក៏ order ញ៉ាំទៅហើយនំជុកសស្រុកខ្មែរញ៉ាំអត់កើតទេញ៉ាំដល់វៀតណាមតែអ្នកនរគ្នារសជាតិគឺ original របស់គេមែនទាំងនំជុកទាំងទឹកកាពិទាំងអីហ្នឹងគឺវាញ៉ាំទៅវាឆ្ងាញ់ហើយអានេះមួយចានដូចតា 8,000 ទេចឹងញ៉ាំនំចុកហើយគឺដល់ម៉ោង check in ល្មមចឹងកតុបខ្ញុំគឺនៅជាន់ទី4 check in ហើយគេឲ្យ smart card មកយើងឡើងទៅ successfully ពួកអង្គុដែរបានទុកគេដល់ឲ្យភ័យដែរនិយាយទៅហើយតែបុកឲ្យកាត់លុយហើយទៀតប៉ុន្តែវាដាក់ pending transaction so អត់ដឹងថាបុកបានអត់ភ័យ but everything is going fine yeah so maybe 203 it's already opened it's not bad អ្នកនរគ្នាមកយកដឹងតែពីនឹងអស់$30ជាង so I think I spend មកយក$6ហើយបើឲ្យខ្ញុំ rate ហ្មងខ្ញុំគិតថា it's okay ហ្មងព្រោះនៅស្រុកយើង5-10ឯងក៏វាប្រហាក់ប្រហែលប៉ុណ្ណឹងដែរ and it we clean ដែរមើលទៅវា facility វាមានទូទួមួយអញ្ចឹងទៅហើយខែគេងអានេះមែនតើអាចគេងបាន2នាក់អញ្ចឹងបើយើងមក2នាក់យើងចំណាញ់តាមនឹងអីចឹងហើយ yeah and this is កន្លែងដាក់កាយអញ្ចឹងទៅពីជើង and then ក៏ទុកទឹក so you get to clean it up oh I hurt my hairs អញ្ចឹងគិតថាបើកន្លែងហ្នឹងមានសំភុំសក់គឺខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តហ្មងដល់ពេលចូលមកវាអត់ឃើញម្ដងសំភុំសក់ពីតែគេស្ថានភាពអីពីច្រើនគេដាក់នេះតែអត់ឃើញថា oh my god and then គេដាក់អបឲ្យទៀតឥឡូវមកសល់2%ឯង so I'm going to just clean up rest a little bit and see what បានចឹងប្លុកនេះវាវែងហើយយើងគិតត្រូវការមានភាគ2គឺខ្ញុំធ្វើដំណើរផ្សងផ្សេងជាបន្តក្រោយពី check in ហើយគឺខ្ញុំដើរវាយទុកពេញអញ្ចឹងចាំដឹងថាខ្ញុំវាយទុកកន្លែងណាខ្លះហើយមានរឿងអីទៀតចាំតាមដានរឿងខ្ញុំកុំភ្លេចតាមដានភាគ2ផងបាទ